In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 1515 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you've opened it, proceed to the search bar and type for HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 1515 printer driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'll be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first one under support.hp.com, which is the official website for the HP printer. Okay. And here in this page, it will automatically detect the operating system, which is Windows 11. So please scroll down. Okay. And find for basic drivers. Click on it. And there you can see basic driver. Click on this download, aligning to it. So once you click on it, proceed to the top right corner. You can see their download icon. Please wait until it would be successfully downloaded. Okay, before we continue to the installation. Once done, click on this folder icon to show it eventually to the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click and click on this cut icon and close the window. And from that, you need to make a right click here and click on paste. So once you have pasted the file here, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click and use your WinRAR tool to extract this one. So go with WinRAR and go with extract to, and wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Okay. So once it's here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so from here, please proceed to the left pane and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Click on this one. Once you click on it, directly proceed to the printers and scanners. Click on it, and there you can see an option called Add Device. Kindly wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually, and in a few moments, you will be able to open a new window where you can find a printer by other options. Once it's here, please proceed with Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next, click on this down arrow key, and use among of these three USB ports. It could be one or two or three. But if you have an HP port, then good, you can use that as well. So go with Next and click on Have Disk, and you go with the Browse. Okay, so we need to proceed to the desktop, and here you need to scroll down and locate our extracted file. Double tap and there you can see the printer driver. Select any of that, go with open and click on the OK here. So by that you need to click on next and please rename that. Okay, so you may wonder why it appear here 1510 instead of 1515. It appears here 1510 since 1510 works also with 1515. They are exactly the same. So go with the renaming, and once you are good, click on next, and there you have that. You can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, please click on next, go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP DeskJet 1515 printer driver in your Windows 11. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.